Hello guys, this is Darren from the Variety Show Uncut once again with another video. Um, Recently I went to GameStop. I bought a few things that I hadn't showed you. Actually, they're still in my car, but I also bought this. Well, these. They had them in the clearance section and they were only $2 a piece. That beats $5 a piece or $6 a piece or 8 or whatever these were going for at the time. But they're kind of high when they come out new, so I usually try to wait until I can get some on clearance, and that's exactly what I've done. And they're the Ghostbusters mystery minis. I got every one of these that they had, and I think there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was 8 of them, so about 4 shy of a full case. So I got all 8 of them. And we're going to open them up right now. So I'm going to take them out. Throw the bag over here. Got my handy dandy little fingers here to open up the wrap around. And get this box open. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so these are the possible pulls that I could get. There is a couple 1 in 72s. One of them is the Library Ghost, which is exclusive to GameStop. A couple of 1 in 24s, it's exclusive to GameStop, which is Slimer and Stay Puft. And then there's another 1 in 72 there that's right there. I don't know who that is just by looking at the box, but it's a 1 in 72. Couple of 1 in 36 with the female. It's on the show, and then little guy that had the silver hat. Can't think of his name right now. I can't think of their names on the show, on the movie, but we're gonna open them up and see which ones I got. So first one. See if I could feel the bag and see if I could feel what it might be. It is one. So there's legs. Don't feel a gun. I think this is a 1 in 36. I think is that one right there. I think. So let's open it up and see. Let's open it up and see. See if I guessed right. Ugh. I guessed wrong. It's not. And I didn't feel the little gun on it, but that's the first one. Which he is just a 1 in 6 common one. So all those little guys are the commons. So let's go ahead and get into the next box. This one I have to use my knife because there's no hole. Alright. I may not try. Oh, this one's got a lot of air in it. So I can't feel it very good. I think this might be another one of the 1 in 6s. So let's go ahead and poke a hole through there so we can get it open. Easy. Can't feel that one because there's a lot of air in it. Oh, okay, cool. This is a cool one. This is a cool one. This one is it's actually a 1 in 12. Got all the marshmallows over him from Stay Puft. That's pretty cool. I like that one. 2 down, 6 more to go. And instead of me just filling every one of them and trying to guess. Even though I like doing that to make the video a little shorter, we're not going to do it. Because we are already at 5 minutes. So let's just get into it right off the bat and see. Oh, the other 1 in 12 with the marshmallow guy. They got the guys with the marshmallow all over them. So that one's cool too. I like that one. So far, no duplicates, which is awesome. Put that right there so I can look at it. This one's got a hole in it. Get into the next one. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. This one's heavier than some of the other ones. Maybe this could be Slimer, maybe. No, it's not Slimer. I think this is 1 in 24 Stay Puft, I think. I said I wasn't going to do that, didn't I? But as heavy as it was, I had to feel. And I'm right. It is the burnt Stay Puffs with the flames. So that's a cool one. That's a 1 in 24. So far, 1 in 6, 2 1 in 12s, and then a 1 in 24. And this is also a GameStop exclusive as well. So. And like I said, I don't know the values, so and I ain't got my computer on to look them up. My desktop is running out of room, and I can't open my computer up right now until I clean it off. But anyways, some of y'all may know the values of them. I'll look them up after I get done filming and stuff and see. But let's get this one. Alright, Aaron, no filling the bags, no filling the bags, just open them and go. Open them and go. Open them and go. Open them and go. This one's been hard to fill anyway with all the air. Okay. Cool. This one, awesome. Got a 1 in 36 on that one. 1 in 36, that's cool. Alright, we're climbing the ladder, so maybe my next one will be a 1 in 72. Who knows? Got 1 in 6, 2 1 in 12s, 1 in 24, and now a 1 in 36. Got 3 more to go. So far, no duplicates, which is a good thing. I like that. No duplicates. Maybe all the duplicates have been gotten. I know when you buy a full case at a time, you usually get stuck with like 2 or 3 duplicates. Alright, let's see what the next one is. Oh, I spoke too soon. I got another duplicate. Lord of mercy. Spoke too soon. I should have knocked on some wood. And I ain't got no wood in here to knock on except for way over there. Have to get up and do that. Throw those boxes away after a while. Okay, got 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Let me make it as quick as I can. I don't think I'm going to meet my 10-minute mark. too far behind to make 10 minutes, which 10 minutes just happened right now. We still have 2 of these to open. And a little bit over 10 minutes ain't going to be too bad. Alright. Okay, it's not a duplicate, but it is a 1 in 6. Winston. I actually met him about 3 years ago at a little Arkansas Comic-Con, which was pretty cool. Didn't get his autograph, though. Ernie Hudson. I wished I had him, but I didn't. I didn't have a whole lot of money on me at the time. I just was there to enjoy the show and see the people. And I got to shake his hand and talk to him, which was pretty cool. But I'm actually looking forward to the reboot and seeing how they're doing that. From what I understand, most of the original cast is going to be on the reboot. Looking forward to it. I hadn't seen the new one with the females yet. I need to. I heard it was okay, but I don't know. And it's a 1 in 6, but it is not a duplicate. So, out of 8 of these things, I only got 1 duplicate. So, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool that I didn't get more duplicates than what I got. So, pretty successful. I got like I said, I got a 1 in 36. Didn't get no 1s in 72, though. Got a 1 in 36. A 1 in 24, 2 1 in 12s, and 4 1 in 6s. So, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Thank you for tuning in. Everybody needs a little variety in their life. That's why you come here. Peace out. See you next time.